Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about a startup default in Scrivener 3 for Windows that you may not know that you can change. Are you annoyed that Scrivener always opens up the last project you were working on? Things don't have to be that way. Simply go to the File menu, choose Options, and ensure that the General tab is selected. That first item, Reopen Projects that were open on Quit, is the culprit. Deselect this, and next time you open up Scrivener, you'll get this instead. Down the bottom, you have the option to open recent by selecting from the list, or to open existing project and select your file from a folder on your computer. Isn't that better having control? You're welcome. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.